What is up, guys? I'm Kyle at Fortune Off-Road, and today we're doing a 1,000 subscriber DIY air tank giveaway. Holy smokes, it has been like 6 weeks, over a month and a half since I posted a video, and really that happened because my laptop broke. My trusted Asus gaming laptop that I do all my video editing on, that I've just been beating up for like 6 years, finally got a little too hot with some cooling issues and I fried the motherboard. So goodbye Asus laptop, it was a good run, and hello Black Box 4. So I'm calling my new computer. Thanks to Chris and Matt, some buddies helped me pick out some parts, and we have this awesome Ryzen 9 build. I think this thing's going to be really great for video editing. So I'm going to start pumping these out now and hopefully try to catch up. A lot of stuff's happened in this last month and a half, so sorry I haven't been posting videos, but they're coming back. I've been trying to keep up on Instagram, so we can kind of post some more clips and pictures on there, and people seem to be enjoying it, so go check it out if you want. Alright, so the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I was supposed to do that when I hit 1,000 subscribers, but unfortunately that's right when my computer got too hot and blasted. Right now we're at about 1,500, so awesome. Thank you everybody who's been subscribing since then. There's usually a video every week or so. Probably seen the video I put out if you've been a subscriber for a little while. I built my own CO2 air tank system to run tools and air up my tires on the trail. It actually works really well, and if you guys want to build one, check out that video. It's not too expensive either. Of course, the prices are just going to keep going up, so you should probably grab that stuff now if you can. But if you don't have one and you want to win one, this is what you have to do to be eligible. One, you have to be a subscriber. You have to be 18 years or older, and you need to live in the lower 48. Sorry to the rest of you guys who are living abroad or Alaska, Ohio. That's just one of the things we had to do for this. And Gleam.io is the one hosting this contest. So look in the description below. There's going to be a link there. And all you have to do to enter is click on the thing that says my YouTube channel. All it does is just brings you to my channel, and then when you complete that, it automatically enters you into the drawing. And then if you want to get another entry, I put one on there for our Instagram page too. So if you want to get in a second time, go ahead and just visit our page. You don't have to do anything. I don't even think you have to follow or anything like that. You just go there and then that'll be an entry. So you can do 2 entries. We're going to run this for about 2 weeks, and then I'll put out a short video of whoever is going to win that. We'll just have it randomly select somebody, and I'll verify that they're a subscriber, and we'll get all of your air tank parts shipped out to you. So what it's going to include is the air tank itself, up to 20 pound CO2 air tank, and then it's going to have the 150 PSI regulator, the adapter, the coupler, the hose, and a digital tire pressure gauge inflator from Rhino USA. It's basically the exact same kit I'm using, and it works great. So whoever wins it, I hope you really enjoy it. Like I said, we are back at full speed. We got a new computer. We're gonna start getting these out. Since I've been gone, we have done some work on the Samurai, nothing too crazy. We went out and wheeled the Samurai again, and we have a lot of parts showing up right now. A rock slider install, a lot of people like to ask what those are and how people like them. I don't have any on the Samurai right now, but they're coming. We've got some ditch light brackets and some ditch lights coming for the Suburban, so we're going to throw those on. It's a kind of an overland truck now, so we need as many lights as we can get, right? We also have a lot of trail runs coming up. It's towards the end of summer now, but we're still got a lot of stuff we want to do. Probably going to hit up Hollister Hills. We still have to do our Rubicon run. I'm thinking we're probably going to go all the way through Fordyce, or as far as we can get with the Samurai on 31s. We might even do Deer Valley. Really any trail. We're open to doing pretty much any trail. With the Suburban, it is more of that overland vehicle now, so we do like medium trails at the hardest. I need that thing to stay intact as much as possible because we do sleep in it, and every time we've camped, it seems like it's at least got moisture on the outside, but we get a lot of rain for some reason. I think I just bring it with me. But I don't want any leaks, don't want any water getting in there, and I want to make sure those doors close up and all that. The Samurai, however, will do any trail. I'm not trying to destroy the vehicle completely. I just built it, but hey, we'll attempt it. If we can't make it, we'll just turn around. That's about it, guys. If you have any ideas of videos you want to see me do, any work on either of the trucks, maybe some parts that I have or tools that you want to see me review and see how they're working out for me, Yeah, just put it down in the comments. You can always email us at fortuneanddeath@gmail.com. Send me a DM on our Instagram page, whatever. We also want to get out there and start wheeling with you guys. So if you live in the NorCal area and you have any trails you want to recommend, let me know. Might even get our whole club to go do it. There's a couple around here, a lot of cool people to wheel with. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to go down there and enter in that giveaway. Good luck to you guys. I hope somebody who needs this air tank system really gets it. And stay tuned, we got a lot more coming. Thanks. See you next time.